This video is about how to create idea pins on Pinterest. Now on Pinterest app, you can tap this plus button below here, then choose to create an idea pin. You can also tap this plus button on your profile and also choose to create an idea pin. And on your Pinterest board, you can also tap this plus button and also choose to create an idea pin. And on this next screen, you can upload a video or a photo from your device or use this camera feature to capture video or a photo. You can also get the video or a photo from the web. And if you decide to use the camera feature, you can use these features on the right hand side to capture the best video or photo. And for now, the video should only be 2 minutes long maximum. And after capturing your video or photo, you can go to this next screen where you can add more clips if you like. You can also add other things like background color, text, music, and stickers, or even make some drawings. And if you tap this pages button above here, you can add more clips, duplicate your clips, reorder them, and also preview your video or a photo. You can also delete it and start afresh, or even save it to drafts. And after previewing your video or a photo, you can go on to add a title, edit the cover image, and add some more details for your idea pin. You can also choose a board for your pin, tag related topics, and make some advanced settings. And after that, you can go on to publish your video or photo as an idea pin. And after posting your idea pin, you can share it, edit it, check its stats, and perform other tasks. And to delete your idea pin, you need to go to its editing screen and go on to delete it down here. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Pinterest and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.